Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open either the Play Store if you're using an Android device or the App Store if you're on iOS. These are your device's official app marketplaces where all updates are managed and distributed to ensure you always have the latest features and security patches. Once you're in the store, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the search icon. This will bring up a search bar where you can type in the name of any app you're looking for. Go ahead and type Messenger into the search field. This will help you quickly locate the Facebook Messenger app among all the other apps available in the store. Now, from the search results that appear, find the official Facebook Messenger app. You'll recognize it by the Messenger icon and Facebook's branding. Once you locate it, look to the right side of the app listing. If an update is available, you'll see an update button displayed right beside the app name. This button only appears when there's a newer version of the app available for download, so if you don't see it, your Messenger is already up to date. Go ahead and click the update button. This will immediately start downloading and installing the latest version of Messenger on your device. The update process ensures you get all the newest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements that Facebook has released. Now you'll need to wait for a moment while the update downloads and installs. The time this takes depends on your internet connection speed and the size of the update itself. You'll see a progress indicator showing how much of the update has been completed so you can monitor it in real time. Just be patient and let it finish completely. Once the installation is complete, the update button will disappear and you'll either see an open button or no button at all, which means the update has been successfully applied. Your Facebook Messenger is now updated to the latest version and ready to use with all the new features and improvements. And that's it. You've successfully updated Facebook Messenger on your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.